Hello all, my name is Premalata. In my previous videos, I have specified what a database is, what is the basic of the data definition language, that is DDL, and what are all the commands available for DDL, and that is create table command, alter table command, truncate table command, and drop table command. And I have specified how to create a table using create table command. Apart from that, the alter table command to add an attribute and to modify or change the size of a particular attribute. So this is the structure which we have already created. The name of the table is child, and these are the attributes which we have already created with its data type and the size. So the previous video we have seen how to increase the size of a particular attribute. Now we use the same command for decreasing the size of the attribute. So the command is alter table. We have to specify the table name, that is child. We have to specify the attribute by specifying modify. So modify is the keyword which is used for changing either the data type or the size of a particular attribute. So it is modify. We specify the name of the attribute, that is gender, followed by the data type. We are just reducing it to 5. Before it was 6, now it is 5. So the table has been altered. Just check with the description of the table. So it has been changed. So one thing we have to remember is, after inserting the values into the table, we can always increase the size of an attribute, but we cannot reduce it. So all these changes, these modifications for the size of a particular data can be done only with the structure. Once the data rows are inserted into the table, it is not possible. So always we have to keep that in mind. So this is the command for modifying the data, that is size. So now we use the same command for modifying the type of a particular attribute. So let us take child ID. The data type which we have already specified is number. We are just going to change it to varchar. So it is alter table, the name of the table. We are going to use modify for changing the data type also. So it is child underscore ID. I'm just going to change this child ID's data type from number to varchar. So I just specify varchar of, we can use same size or different size, it is up to us. So it is just give. So the table is being altered. If we check the description of the table, we can see that the data type is being changed from number to varchar 2. So this is how this alter table modify option is used for changing either the attributes data type or its size. So this is how the alter table command works. So alter table, we have seen add and we have seen modify. Add is used for adding any attribute, and modify is used for either modifying the type of the data or size of the data, that is the attribute. So now we shall check for the drop command with alter table. So there is a third sub option which is available in alter table command. Alter table had 3 options. One is add, modify, the third is there is a drop. So it is alter table child. We are just going to use, there is drop instead of modify. So drop, here we can just drop any of the attribute. All we have to do is specify the keyword column. For specifying that, we are just specifying the column which we are going to drop it, that will be deleted from the structure of the table. So just column, we have to specify the name of the attribute, that is DOB. I am just deleting this. So the table is being altered. So if we check the description of the table, we can see that that has been deleted. So if we want to just add it again, we have to just give alter table. We have to use add. We have to use the same procedure for adding the attribute, that is the date of birth, and the type of the data is date. Date doesn't come with the size because date has its own format. So this is the updated structure of the child table. So far we have seen alter table command with the add, modify and drop. Thank you.